Finding websites that pay daily has become very important for freelancers, side hustlers, students, remote workers, and people looking for flexible income opportunities. Instead of waiting for weeks before getting paid, many people now prefer platforms that allow them to access their earnings much faster after completing work. In this video, we will walk through 10 reliable websites that offer fast or daily payout opportunities. We will explain how each platform works, the payment methods available, the minimum payout, the good side, the difficult side, and the smart way to maximize your earnings. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Now, let us begin. The first platform is Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the biggest freelance marketplaces in the world. It connects freelancers with people and businesses looking for digital services like writing, graphic design, website development, marketing, video editing, voiceover, and many other services. On Fiverr, you create a service called a gig. A buyer sees your gig, places an order, and you deliver the work. Fiverr supports payment methods such as PayPal, Payoneer through the Fiverr Revenue Card, and bank transfer depending on your country. Now, this part is important. Fiverr does not release money immediately after a job is completed. New sellers usually go through a 14-day clearance period before funds become available for withdrawal. Higher-level sellers may have shorter waiting periods. One major advantage of Fiverr is that it gives freelancers access to a massive global marketplace. It is also easy to set up and can help you build long-term client relationships. The downside is that competition is high, Fiverr charges commission fees, and beginners often struggle to stand out. The best way to maximize earnings on Fiverr is to specialize in one service, use professional profile images and gig visuals, write clear descriptions, and focus on getting excellent reviews from buyers. The second platform is Clickworker. Clickworker is a micro-task platform where people complete small online jobs like data entry, surveys, product testing, translation, writing, and AI training tasks. It is beginner-friendly because many tasks do not require advanced technical skills. Clickworker supports payment through PayPal, SEPA bank transfer for eligible countries, and some additional payout methods depending on location. The minimum payout for PayPal is generally around €10 once approved tasks are payable. One advantage of Clickworker is that it offers flexible work you can do during spare time. The sign-up process is simple and beginners can start quickly. The downside is that task availability depends on your country, and many tasks pay small amounts. The smartest way to increase earnings on Clickworker is to complete assessments carefully, especially UHRS assessments, because they unlock better paying tasks and more consistent work opportunities. The third platform is Upwork. Upwork is one of the most established freelance platforms for professionals. Businesses use it to hire writers, designers, marketers, developers, consultants, accountants, customer support specialists, and many other skilled freelancers. Unlike Fiverr, where buyers come to your gig, Upwork often requires freelancers to apply for jobs by sending proposals. Upwork supports payment methods such as PayPal, Payoneer, direct bank transfer, and wire transfer depending on location. The minimum withdrawal threshold is generally $10 depending on the payment method used. Upwork offers payment protection systems, escrow support, and access to higher value clients. The challenge is that competition can be intense, especially for beginners. Account approval may also take time, and platform fees can reduce earnings. The best way to maximize earnings on Upwork is to write personalized proposals instead of sending generic applications. Understand the client problem, explain how you can solve it, and build a strong portfolio with proof of previous work. The fourth platform is Rapid Workers. Rapid Workers is a microtask website that pays users for completing simple online activities like testing websites, following social media accounts, promoting content, and completing small digital tasks. Payments are processed through PayPal, and according to the article, users can withdraw once they reach $8. The platform is easy for beginners because most tasks are simple and require little experience. One advantage is the low payout threshold and fast PayPal processing after approval. The downside is that individual tasks often pay very small amounts, and repetitive work can become tiring. Some jobs are also limited by location. The best way to maximize earnings on Rapid Workers is to focus on accuracy. Follow instructions carefully, submit proper proof, maintain a good approval rate, and avoid rushing through tasks. The fifth platform is Microworkers. Microworkers allows users around the world to complete small digital tasks like surveys, app testing, data entry, research, and content rating. It is popular because it is accessible to people in many countries, including countries where other platforms may have restrictions. Microworkers supports payment methods such as PayPal, Skrill, and other international payment options depending on location. The minimum withdrawal threshold is generally $10. One strong advantage of Microworkers is global accessibility. It also has a transparent rating system that rewards reliable workers. The downside is that many tasks pay small amounts and task availability can change daily. The best way to maximize earnings on Microworkers is to focus on high-rated campaigns with good approval history. Choosing quality tasks instead of chasing every available task can save time and increase overall earnings. The sixth platform is Sprout Gigs, formerly known as Picoworkers. Sprout Gigs is another microtask marketplace where businesses post small online jobs and workers complete them for payment. Tasks may include testing apps, visiting websites, writing short reviews, promoting content, or completing small online activities. The platform supports payment methods such as PayPal, Litecoin, and Airtime. The minimum payout according to the article is $5, which makes it one of the lower payout thresholds among these platforms. One advantage of Sprout Gigs is that it is open to users in many countries and offers flexible work opportunities. The downside is that many tasks pay very little, and the quality of jobs can vary. Some clients may also delay approvals. The best way to maximize earnings on Sprout Gigs is to work with verified employers that have high approval rates and focus on repeat tasks that are safe, simple, and consistent. The seventh platform is Writer Access. Writer Access is a professional content marketplace designed for writers, editors, and content creators. Businesses and agencies use it to hire people for blog posts, website copy, SEO content, product descriptions, and other writing projects. Writer Access supports payment through PayPal and Payoneer. Experienced or premium writers may access same-day withdrawals, while the minimum payout is generally $10. One major advantage of Writer Access is access to better quality writing jobs and long-term content opportunities. The challenge is that the platform is competitive, and writers usually need strong samples before they are accepted. The best way to maximize earnings on Writer Access is to build a strong portfolio before applying. Good writing samples increase your chances of accessing higher-paying clients and premium projects. The eighth platform is TimeBucks. TimeBucks offers different earning opportunities including surveys, watching videos, referral programs, social media tasks, testing products, and other small online activities. The platform supports payment methods such as PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, and bank transfer depending on availability. The minimum payout is generally $10. One advantage of TimeBucks is flexibility. Users can choose from different types of tasks instead of relying on one income source. The downside is that many activities pay small amounts and users need consistency to build meaningful earnings. The best way to maximize earnings on TimeBucks is to focus on higher-paying activities like referral programs, daily challenges, and better value tasks, instead of spending too much time on very low-paying activities. The ninth platform is Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me is a transcription platform where freelancers listen to audio files and convert them into written text. It is suitable for people with good listening skills, patience, and strong grammar. The platform pays through PayPal, and according to the article, users can withdraw with as little as $1 after approved work becomes payable. One major advantage of Transcribe Me is the low withdrawal barrier and flexible work structure. It also provides training for beginners. The downside is that users must pass an entry test before starting, and beginners may not immediately access the highest-paying projects. The best way to maximize earnings on Transcribe Me is to improve accuracy. Use good headphones, work in a quiet environment, and focus on delivering clean transcripts, because higher quality work often leads to better opportunities. The 10th platform is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is different from many of the other platforms because it focuses on physical local tasks instead of only online work. TaskRabbit connects people who need help with cleaning, furniture assembly, moving, repairs, errands, and other hands-on services with workers called taskers. Payments are handled through Stripe, and funds are generally transferred after approved task completion. One major advantage of TaskRabbit is that skilled workers can earn good money from local services while controlling their schedules. The downside is that the platform is only available in selected cities, and most jobs require physical availability. The best way to maximize earnings on TaskRabbit is to build a strong profile, with clear photos, excellent reviews, and reliable communication. Repeat clients often become the biggest source of stable income. Now, before we conclude, let us quickly talk about something important. Using these websites successfully is not just about finding tasks. It is about managing your time properly, improving your skills, choosing the right platforms, and understanding how payments work. Many beginners jump from one website to another without learning how to become valuable. The people who earn consistently are usually the people who become reliable, improve their skills, and build trust over time. So, instead of chasing every platform you see online, focus on platforms that match your strengths. If you have strong digital skills, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Writer Access may suit you better. If you want simpler tasks while learning, platforms like Clickworker, Microworkers, Rapid Workers, Sprout Gigs, and TimeBucks may help you start. If you prefer transcription work, Transcribe Me may fit you. And if you prefer local hands-on work, TaskRabbit may be worth exploring if it operates in your city. The important thing is to start carefully, stay consistent, protect your reputation, and continue learning. Now, because payment systems, platform rules, and withdrawal methods can change over time, we strongly recommend reading the full article on entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/websites that pay daily/ through the link in the description. The article contains the complete breakdown, payment details, pros, cons, and important updates that will help you make informed decisions before choosing a platform. And remember, at entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and let us know in the comments which platform you would try first. We are rooting for you. See you in the next video.